you. Children, it's indeed a very momentous occasion for our school that to observe the Human Rights Day, we have been graced and honored by our dignitaries from Honorable District Court, Sriman Gautam Kumar, who is the Civil Judge, Senior Division, Secretary, District Legal Services Authority, Koderma. Also we have amongst us Sriman Naval Kishore Ji, Chief Legal Advisor, District Court, Koderma. I accord a corporate welcome to both of them on the premises of PVSS DAV Public School, Jandakiri, Koderma, on this auspicious occasion of the observance of Human Rights Day. Sir, your visit to our school and your august presence as the chief guest of this observance has indeed added a lot more dignity and grace to the occasion, and we are truly very much honored to have you amongst us as the chief and keynote addresser speakers. There are some certain legal nuances, subtleties, which may not be brought into the mind of the children, which can be done by you because you people are the authority for this thing. So, your presence has made a lot more difference and means a lot to our school. You know that our school, our teachers as a whole and students, they are all the brand ambassador of legal awareness creator, campaign launchers, and from time to time we have been conducting one after the other activities in series, and hence I have every reason to be proud of the kind of programs that we conduct for the personality development and establishment of legal awareness issues, so that our children don't get astray, don't get deviated from the legal points. It so happens that sometimes due to lack of awareness, lack of proper information, ideas and knowledge, children go to such areas where they commit mistakes, which is having very dire legal consequences. And this is the time when our guests, keynote speakers, they will bring into the mind of children how we have to desist and resist from such habits, so that rule of law is established in the town, and the children right from the beginning, they remain very much disciplined and they remain cognizant and well informed and acquainted with the laws, so that they will not create any nuisance and they will not come under the ambit of any legal actions. Making an informed citizen is the responsibility of the school, of course, because the school is the nursery where every sort of knowledge, ideas, and also the values which are imbibed, which are inculcated and transferred, that last forever in the rest of their life. When they grow up and take the charge in various capacities, maybe as officers, social worker, environmentalists, and maybe bureaucrats, they will exhibit this sense of civility, a civilized and well-rounded, legally aware citizens. In that case, the country will be a very rich in form of human resource. You know that we all have the rights very much enshrined in our Indian Constitution, and the rights which are defined also tells us that we don't have to infringe and transgress and violate the rights of others. We all have the rights to live in liberty. We have to maintain equality. Injustice must not be inflicted upon anyone. No oppression, no suppression, and no any kind of affliction which may be brought otherwise, and any kind of hurt is created and caused to any citizen of the country. You know, we have to, through this type of observance, create a kind of awareness so that we establish, we set, and we create a kind of atmosphere and culture in the country, in the community and society where we live, so that justice, dignity, grace, and most importantly, humanity prevails all around. So the sake of humanity, for the sake of dignity of others, we have to take care of in that way we behave, in our behavior, in our action. The grace, the dignity is not violated, we don't infringe upon them. The people don't get hurt. And also, the people with various backgrounds, maybe socio-economic, caste, color, creed, religious belief, nationality, and you may say of any variations, maybe language, none of us has to be discriminated. No discrimination on the basis of all such things. Human rights is a very broad term, and human rights give you the right also to live the life the way you like, but you have to also embrace and follow the code of conduct. Moral obligations are also there. Some legal obligations are also there. Legal binding are there. Moral binding also. So, in both the sense, in the ambit of morality and in the ambit and arena domain of our legality, we have to prove that we are very much law obedient and morally strong personalities. We have the key speakers. They will throw ample light on this, and it's high time that we have the persons from Honorable District Court. So I welcome you both once again. I welcome all the teachers and students. At the same time, I extend my thanks for making this program something to be materialized today with the coordination of Mr. Santosh Kumar ji. He remained in constant coordination and liaising with the school. Our legal awareness in charge is also there, Mr. D.K. Dubey. He has taken it headlong, our supervisory head. Our next senior teacher, Mr. Kumar Sati Singh, and Acharya Sahab and their team, all of them have played a very crucial role in making this program a very scintillating success as it has started. As the people say, well begun, half done. And it's started very exclusive, memorable. I'm sure the end will be something very fruitful that will ever remain etched in our memory and heart. Thank you very much. Welcome to both of you once again. Welcome to Santosh ji also. Thank you.